Okay, so we're down in Macau and we're gonna be just walking down this one, and I think this is gonna be one of the last videos I'm gonna do for a while. So I'll tell you all about that in a minute. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are in Macau. And last time I was here, this was being redone. It looks pretty cool now. Okay, so we're gonna do. Our crowds are coming back. It's opening up with China, anyways. So who knows? Might get some COVID. But actually, what is it today? Is kind of near the end of July, July 19, July 20, something like that. So we're just gonna walk down. It's a Sunday today, and I filmed this probably at least like 10-15 times, and Macau is relatively small. I think I filmed quite a few places, quite a few times already. So today I decided that I don't really feel like filming for a while. So I'm gonna try to maybe do something different, but I'm not gonna film this kind of stuff for a little bit until it seems like it's well worth it. Yeah, so we got this Sao Domingos is right here. So we're just gonna stroll through a little bit. I might do some travel videos later when we can start moving around and going different places. I think one observation that I noticed is that I have a lot of videos out there, but you know, people just go to the last one generally. But if you come here and now that you know that this video exists, then maybe it's possible that you can also you see, try to capture this whole space before we go. So that's Sao Domingos right there, that big building right there, Sao Domingos. Okay, we're just gonna keep on going. So we're gonna be walking down towards Senado Square. Yeah, one of the things is I film a lot of the same stuff, and everything is basically out there. It's on the channel, so if there's something that you want to see, I've probably already filmed it a few times. Who knows? I might come back to it, but I'm definitely gonna take a break for a while. This is Senado Square. It's basically the heat of the summer. The tourists are starting to come back. Only mainland Chinese. Nobody else is coming in. Nobody from anywhere. So anybody that's living here is well, foreigners can't go into China, so it's basically just people that are living and working here. Let's see. Okay, that's Senado Square straight ahead. Okay, so I don't know. We'll see how this is. We'll see what I'll do in the future. I definitely like filming and doing something, but it's getting a little repetitive for me to just film Macau all the time. In the past, you can see that I've been to quite a few other places. I have quite a few other films, a lot of other stuff from other countries. I have tons of them that I haven't put up that I have on different mediums. All right. Anyways, I think we'll end it right there.